어쩌다 보니 처음으로 마주하는 오늘이 돼서 사무치게 아픈 말 한마디에 내가 더 싫어도 신경 쓰지 말자. 우리 목소리로 어디서라도 부르자. 청춘 찬가.
Happy birthday, Yana!
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Yana!
Happy birthday, Yana! 2, 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm sure I'll miss you pag nasa Manila ka na. Makinig ka kay Ate Alisa ha. And bago sa away, happy birthday!
날 감싸준 포근한 이불 이 사소한 매일을 기다리면서 잠들게. 매일 아침에 울리는 시끄러운 알람이 어제 되게 아픈 말 한마디에 내가 더 싫어도 신경 쓰지 말자. 우리 목소리로 어디서라도 부르자. 청춘 찬가.
Hey you, 지금 뭐해? 잠깐 밖으로 나올래? 네가 보고 싶다고 거울 속에 난 섭한 Happy legality, Yana. Continue to strive for the best. We love you. 저는 눈부시게 late night 하다가 두근거려.
As you navigate this new adult world. And no matter how much the world gets you confused, I hope you know how to trust yourself, that you will follow the path that has always been meant for you. I do believe that the little girl in you knows all the answers. And I hope that all your dreams come true. Happy birthday!
I know you'll go far in life. And I'm already proud of who you are and who you will become. I wish you nothing but the best as you start this new chapter in your life. I love you, Yana.
Finally, adult ka na and start na ng iyong adult journey. Ang advice namin sa iyo, ma'am, focus on your dreams, trust on yourself more, and be confident. Always remember, you're the only person who is responsible for your achievements. So in everything that you do, always challenge yourself. We will always be here to guide and support you, and we will always love you. Happy birthday, Yana!
We also continue to be who you are, genuine, warm, and generous. I wish you all the best and successful future. Most of all, don't forget to always smile. Forever the road leads you. I love you.